Hey, so if your Dropbox folder is missing on your PC, yeah, like you can't find it in File Explorer or it just disappeared after an update, that can be really stressful. In this complete guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, open File Explorer and look in the left sidebar. I mean, sometimes the Dropbox folder is still there, but just hidden or collapsed. Next, yeah, use the search bar and type Dropbox. If it exists, Windows will usually find it instantly. Now, make sure hidden items are turned on. Sometimes the folder is just hidden after updates or changes. Yeah, open the Dropbox app and check where your folder location is set. I mean, it might have been moved to a different directory. Now, restart Dropbox from the system tray. This can help restore missing folder connections. If it's still missing, yeah, sign out of Dropbox and sign back in. This forces it to resync your folder structure. Now, reinstall Dropbox if needed. Sometimes the installation gets corrupted and removes folder links. Yeah, also check other drives like your D drive or external storage. The folder might have been moved accidentally. If nothing works, you can set a new Dropbox folder location during setup or reconnect it to restore access. So yeah, that's how you fix a missing Dropbox folder on PC. Most of the time, it's hidden settings, wrong location, or sync issues. Try these steps and your folder should come back. Thanks for watching.